What's up guys, Michael here with Primal. I know it's been a while since my last video and I apologize for that. For the past few months I've been dealing with an injury, either my shoulder or my bicep. I'm not really sure what it is, but I'm going to get an MRI done later this week to try and find out. It's been keeping me out of the shop. I simply can't do some of the work that I've been doing in the past, and it's putting me way behind schedule, including uploading videos. This week's video is going to be kind of quick, however. I just received this new tool and I've been waiting to get it for quite a while. It's a Proxxon hot wire foam cutter. Apparently, some assembly was required. But putting it together was relatively painless. A couple of bolts, attaching a wire, and it was good to go. Didn't even really need directions, it was pretty self-explanatory. Now you may be asking yourself, what do you need with a hot wire foam cutter? You do knives, leather work, furniture, other types of stuff. Why a foam cutter? The fact is, I build all types of stuff, and I get commissioned to do many different things. Much of it doesn't get showcased here on YouTube, but that's going to change. I want to show you guys all the types of stuff that I can do. The advantage of having a hot wire foam cutter like this will allow me to do a lot of different things. You get very precise work, very intricate cuts, the types of things that I guess could be done with a knife, but it's substantially easier when you have a tool like this. One thing I built not long ago was a display case for a .45 handgun. The inset was like a velvety type cloth that he wanted to put inside. Looking at this hot wire foam cutter, immediately I can see applications where I can have custom cut foam inserts. I know they have that plug and play stuff, but I feel like this would give me a much cleaner and more detailed cut. And right now I've been commissioned to build another one of my dice trays, and I'm going to show you a little bit about how that's done. This build, however, is going to be a bit unique. It's going to require a lot more detail, it's going to be a little bit bigger, and it's going to be, in my opinion, a lot cooler. So I ordered this Proxxon hot wire table to help me cut up the foam. If you're interested in seeing that video, take the poll right here and let me know. Guys, again, I apologize for being MIA the past few weeks, and I'm going to continue to upload videos Thursday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But until I can figure out exactly what's going on with my arm, please be patient with me. I can't guarantee I'll have something up every week, but I'll get stuff up as much as humanly possible. The build that I'm doing right now will be uploaded hopefully in the next week or so. It's not like my usual content, but I think you'll find it interesting, and I think you guys will really enjoy it. As usual, I'm going to put links down below to my Amazon affiliate store. Go over there and check that out if you're interested in the Proxxon table or any of the other types of stuff that I showcase here on my channel. Thanks for tuning in again this week. Be sure you like and subscribe and stick around for future videos. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you soon.